Welcome back to our channel. My name is Teacher Smith and today we are going to understand a topic about counting square. So to understand the topic, I have taken a question. Let's have a look. Here we have to count the number of squares in the figure below. I have a figure, we have to count the number of squares. Now, if we just have a look at this, how many squares are present here? Oh, we think, oh, there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But actually, it's not this way. There are not just 9 cubes. Now, you will say, oh, why not? For this, let's take a small example. Let's say, here I have squares. Can you tell me how many squares are present here? Perfect. There are 2 squares. One here, one here. But what happens when I combine these 2 squares? When I put them together, which shape does it form? Oh, it forms a rectangle. So the figure that we just had also was not separated squares, it's combined. And when figures are combined, they form bigger figures. For example, let's have a look here. Here in this figure, there are how many squares? Oh, we think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But what happens when I combine them together? Oh, we get a bigger square. So there are not just 4 squares, there is one bigger, that is 5 squares in total. So whenever you want to combine any of the figure, make sure you check the bigger figure. So here, let me write down the summary. In order to count the number of squares, we need to discuss in cases. That is, if we combine them, then what happens? So let's just have a look here. Here in this figure, we think, oh, there are just 9 squares. But when I count the small squares, then it is 9. But what if I combine them? Oh, when I combine them, then also it forms a bigger square. So let's just discuss in cases. When we have one part, that is 1 parts, is just in total of 9 squares. 9 squares. Now, is that all? What if I combine 2 squares? Does this form a square when I combine this? No. 2 doesn't form a square. Which shape does it form? Oh, it forms a rectangle. So 2 is not okay. How about 3? Is this a square? No, it forms a bigger rectangle. How about this 3 together? No, it's not a shape, it's like an L shape. So 3 is also not okay. How about 4 squares like this? Does it form a square? No, it forms something like a gun. No, this is also not. But is this the only way to put 4 squares? Of course not. Here I can put the 4 squares something like this together and it forms 1 square. So not just combining one part, we can also combine 4 parts. But when I combine 4 parts, how many squares are there? Is this the only one? Of course not. This is just one. Can be second, can be third, and can be fourth. So when I combine 4 parts together, there are in total of 4 squares. So here, let me write down 4 squares. Now is that all? No. Here after 4 square, can I combine 5 squares together? Something like this. Is this okay? Of course not. Again looks something like a gun shape. Also not okay. How about 6 squares if I combine? Also not. It forms a bigger rectangle. How about 7? Something like this. Also not. Something very like fan shape. Also not okay. How about 8 squares together? Also not. How about 9 square? If all 9 squares are combined, which shape does it form? Oh, it forms a very big square. So when I combine 9 parts, we just get 1 square. So that's how we count the number of squares. You combine and then count, but remember to do it in order. Now, after this, how to calculate the total number of squares present here? Yes, just add them up. That is 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is perfect 14. So here there are in total of 14 squares that are present. So whenever you want to count the number of squares, make sure we discuss it in case and then do it in order. Now, if you have understood this question well, I have a practice for you. You can try out this practice and let me know the answer in the comment box. Or else, if you have any doubts regarding the questions, you can ask me using this QR code. Or you want to join our free activities, you can scan the QR code to join the group, and there I'll post some free activities for you. For now, I am Teacher Smith signing off right now, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.